Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing worse than a cracked screen. But my phone screen is not cracked. It's actually the Supershieldz tempered glass screen protector. I love these. So as you can see, this screen is very cracked because I do drop my phone a lot. And because I'm on the trails, it always will hit a rock or a pebble that hits just the right spot and create that scratch or that crack. So what's nice about this is that I don't have to worry about it permanently damaging my phone. Once it gets to a point that I feel like, oh, okay, it's kind of getting hard to be able to see what's going on my screen, I now can easily just lift it up and my screen has been perfectly preserved. Now this set actually comes with multiple screen protectors, which is nice because with me, I crack my screen usually pretty quickly. So I really like to be able to keep on replacing it because I've built up enough that it's now difficult to see. So now, as you can see, my screen is nice and clean and ready to go to be able to withstand anything that I put through. So if you're hard on your phone too, but you want to not have to stress about anything damaging, anything that you use so much, it's such a nice protection that I think everyone should have on their phone. But that's my point of view.